In this video, I'll show you how to connect your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Plus to the Wi-Fi if it's not already connected, or if you're going to a new place and you want to connect to their Wi-Fi network. So it's very easy. Once your iPhone is turned on, you're gonna go and find the settings icon over here. So mine is there, but maybe yours is on the second page, or if not, go into the app library. This is by swiping right, all the way right. Go over here and type settings. Open settings, and once you open settings, it should look like this. You simply need to go over here where it says Wi-Fi, tap on it. Make sure that Wi-Fi is indeed turned on, and then the networks will be displayed down below. Every networks around your phone. Then you just have to tap on the network you want to connect to, and you'll be asked to enter the password. So go ahead, enter the password of that specific Wi-Fi network. Once the password has been entered, then you can press on join. Wait a few seconds, usually it only takes about 10 seconds, and you should have over here a confirmation that the phone is connected. Here we go, we have a check mark. Press on the I button, and then you'll have a few options here. If you press forget this network, it will completely delete any information, any passcode related to that network. And if you want to use it in the future, you'll have to reconnect the same way you did it a few seconds ago. If you don't want your iPhone to automatically join this Wi-Fi network, maybe it's a printer and you don't want your phone to connect to the printer every time, you just have to click over here where it says auto join. And this way your iPhone will not connect automatically to that network. You'll need to do it manually each time. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check my other iPhone tutorials if you just got your iPhone 16 and you want to learn more about your device, and I'll see you in the next video.